Hello, this is me, Sahon, and I'm going to teach you about the number blocks. So, this is number block 1. And here's number block 2 with glasses. So, here's number block 3. Here's number block 4. Here's number block 5. Here's number block 6. Here's number block 7. And here's number block 8. And here's number block 9. And here's number block 10. Here's number block 11. Here's number block 12. Here's number block 13. Here's number block 14. And here's number block 15. Here's number block 16. Here's number block 17. Here's number block 18. Here's just fast like cars. Here's number block 19. Here's number block 20. Here's number block 21. Here's number block 22. Here's number block 23. This is number block 24, but he's so cute. Here's number block 25. Here's number block 26. Here's number block 27. Here's number block 28. Here's number block 29. Here's number block 30. Here's number block 31. Here's number block 32. Here's number block 33. Here's number block 34. Here's number block 35.
35 is so pretty.
Thank you. Here's 36. Here's number block 37. Here's number block 38. Here's 39 and 40. And here is 41. And here is 42. And here is 43. And here is 44. And here's number block 45 ready for the beach.
No.
But not today.
Okay.
Here's 46 with a super magic wand. Here's number block 47. Here's number block 48 that he likes 24 so much. Here's number block 49. And here's 50. He is a rock star like 5 though. So here's number block 51. Here's number block 52. Here's number block 53. Here's number block 54. Here's number block 55. Here's number block 56 with a lollipop. Here's 57, he's an alien. Here's number block 58. Here's number block 59. And here's 60 that I made from yesterday. And here is number block 61. Going to school.
Go.
These are my papers. I cut them out. Thank you for watching. See you guys again. Bye.